Hey people, so there is this particular show called, not show, it's a movie called Chippa. It's on Netflix and it's about this 10-year-old boy who has set out to find his father, like in terms of the whole movie is shot in Kolkata, and we get to see we get to see the underbelly of a bustling city. So no, I mean the very premise of the story with the 10-year-old, he has this letter written in Urdu and it's addressed to him, and because it's in Urdu he can't read it. So I mean, there's this word poignant, right? So when you watch this particular show on this particular movie on Netflix, you that's the one emotion that you're flooded with. So try and catch it, people. It's called Chippa, and outstanding performance by this 10-year-old, and it'll move you. This particular movie. So, and it's among the top 10 trending films in on Netflix in India. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.